Number 1. 1983 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,100, powered by a dependable 6.2L MFI diesel OHV V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4WD. It delivers strong low-end torque and the durability these trucks are known for. The exterior is finished in a timeless blue, complemented by a matching blue interior, and the truck runs on diesel fuel for excellent longevity. The current owner has had this Sierra since 2009, caring for it and keeping it garaged for the past 8 years. It starts easily and runs well, making it not just a collectible piece of classic truck history but also a capable workhorse. The truck is equipped with all-terrain tires for improved off-road traction and comes with 2 brand new batteries for reliable starting power. While it is mechanically sound, it does need some brake work and a replacement windshield. Number 2. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,500, two-wheel drive pickup with only 112,000 original miles on its 6-cylinder inline engine. It has never been in an accident and comes with a clean title in hand. The truck features an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, free from any rips or tears. It rides on brand new 15x10 wheels wrapped in Cooper tires and has been professionally lowered 2.5 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear, giving it a sleek stance. Modern upgrades include a backup camera with Apple CarPlay, as well as a single woofer with an amplifier, with room to expand the sound system. Comfort is ensured year-round with fully functional AC and heat. Additional recent improvements include a new bumper, headlights, and grille, enhancing both the appearance and reliability. Number 3. 1990 Ford F150, price $6,800, well-preserved classic with only 84,000 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a manual 5-speed transmission and a strong 5.0L gasoline engine, delivering reliable power and performance. The truck sports a clean white exterior paired with a vibrant red interior, creating a timeless look that turns heads. Everything on this truck is in perfect working order, from the smooth shifting gearbox to the upgraded sound system. It also features a short gear ratio, which provides quick acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. While there are a few minor cosmetic paint imperfections, the body is solid, and mechanically it's ready to hit the road. Overall, this F-150 is a great combination of durability, style, and classic Ford craftsmanship. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600. The truck comes with a clean title and a well-maintained history. It features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both of which have approximately 150,000 miles, despite the odometer reading 220,000 miles. The truck has a tan exterior and interior, runs on gasoline, and is equipped with a new transmission. Inside, it boasts a fully customized setup, including a custom headliner, a skylight, wood-trimmed interior details, reclining camper seats, and brand new carpeting. On the exterior, it rides on racing tires with classic Chevy saw-blade rims, complemented by chrome runners. Performance is enhanced by a strong motor and a custom dual-ported exhaust, making it as capable on the road as it is unique in appearance. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, showing only 155,000 original miles. Finished in an attractive blue exterior paired with a clean tan interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and does not burn any oil. Less than 5,000 miles ago, the transmission was professionally rebuilt, providing added confidence in its performance and longevity. The body is in outstanding condition, completely free of rust and without any major damage, making it as appealing to look at as it is to drive. All exterior and interior lights are fully functional, and the truck is equipped with nearly brand new tires, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. With its clean title and proven reliability, this 1998 Chevrolet 1500 is a rare find that is fully ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately. Number 6. 1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,450, finished in a classic green exterior with a gray interior, is equipped with a manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a rear locker, giving it excellent capability in all seasons and on various terrains. With 272,000 miles on the odometer, it has certainly been well used, yet it continues to run strong, true to the Tacoma's legendary reputation for reliability and durability. While it may not be perfect cosmetically, its mechanical dependability makes it a practical and budget-friendly choice. Whether serving as a trustworthy work truck during the week or tackling trails and weekend adventures, this Tacoma is built to keep going and get the job done. Number 7. 1978 Ford F150, price $9,500. This truck is an all-original classic finished in striking red with a matching red interior. Powered by a strong 400 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers dependable performance both on and off the road. The 4x4 system functions perfectly, making it ready for any terrain. It has recently received a new power steering pump and features dual exhaust for a deep, classic rumble. The truck runs and drives flawlessly, with no leaks, and its clean interior is complemented by fully functional radio, lights, and gauges. Backed by a clean Colorado title, this well-preserved pickup combines originality with excellent drivability, making it a standout for any classic truck enthusiast. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, equipped with an automatic transmission, a crisp white exterior, and a clean gray interior. This rust-free example is powered by a reliable 350 engine that delivers smooth performance, and it is noted to run and drive very well. Over the years, it has received several updates, including a new starter, brand new tires, and a fresh dual exhaust system, all contributing to its solid road manners. Inside, it offers modern conveniences for its era, such as power windows, power door locks, and a tilt steering wheel, making it both functional and comfortable to drive. While the truck does carry a total loss title from an accident that occurred 2 decades ago, it was professionally repaired to factory specifications. Number 9. 1975 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000, features a silver exterior with a red interior and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 366 big block Chevy engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that includes a bulldog gear. The truck is equipped with a 14-bolt rear end, 4x4 on the floor, and manual locking hubs. The frame shows considerable rust, and the engine leaks oil quite noticeably. Although it has new brakes, they likely need to be bled. The current owner has invested around $3,000 into the truck since purchasing it but has struggled to get it running well. While it was once drivable, it recently shut off during a drive and now refuses to start, seemingly due to a lack of spark. Number 10. 1971 International 1210, price $4,000. Under the hood, it is powered by a 345 Ci motor with 4.10 rear gears, providing strong and dependable performance. The truck is equipped with factory air conditioning, dual fuel tanks, a sliding rear window, power steering, power brakes, and an 8-foot bed. It also retains all 4 factory hubcaps and has been fitted with a new battery. The body remains solid overall, with only minimal rust found in the bed near the tailgate latch. It runs and drives, though the transmission requires servicing or a complete inspection, as it needs to warm up before it will move. This classic workhorse comes with a clean Colorado title in hand, ready for its next owner to restore or enjoy.